What's up YouTube? This is MB, and in this video we are going to be downloading iOS 13, the beta, on our iOS device. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Safari and search up Apple Beta Developer, and you're going to want to press the first option that it gives you. You can also just type in beta.apple.com in the address bar. So you're going to want to scroll down, and if you're already a beta member, then you can just sign in. If you're new, you're going to want to sign up. All it's going to ask you to do is enter your Apple ID, but I already have an account, so I'm just going to sign in, and I'll be right back once I enter my Apple ID. Okay, so after you enter your Apple ID, you're going to want to trust the computer. Okay, it's loading. This part usually takes a while to load. Yeah. Okay, so once you get to this stage, you're going to want to either select iOS if you're on an iPhone or iPad OS if you're on an iPad. And you're going to want to scroll down. Actually, you're going to want to scroll to the top where you have these tabs. You're going to want to press enroll your devices. You're going to want to scroll down to step 2. If you want, you may back up your device, but I didn't, and I was totally fine. You're going to want to go to the second step, which is installing the profile, and go ahead and press the blue button that says download profile. And a notification should pop up. Sorry, I don't know, it's pretty slow today. But yeah, when the notification comes up, you're going to want to press allow. Okay, there it is. You're going to want to press allow. It's going to say profile downloaded. Review the profile and settings app if you want to install it. So press the home button, go to settings, general, then you're going to want to scroll down to profiles and device management. You're going to want to press iOS 13. I already have it installed, as you saw right here, but you're going to want to press install. And you're going to want to put in your password, and this is basically giving consent to install. So you're going to go press in the top right corner, and I will be back after I restart my phone to apply the changes, because we need this. Okay, I have restarted my iPhone, and now I'm going to want to install the application, or not the application, the Apple software beta 13. You're going to want to go to settings. You're going to want to press general. Then you're going to want to go to software update, and mine is already at iOS 13. But yours will give you the option to download and then install iOS 13. Go ahead and do that. I can't uninstall iOS 13 because I did back up my device, and I would have lost all my data. But anyways, please like, comment on this video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe and share this video with your friends.